I'm going to start off with, you're going to see this eye, and then we're going to be working on this eye. So you can see what I did to achieve this fierce ass look. And I know, background looks a little different. I'm currently in Arizona visiting home for a week. So that's why everything looks different. I'm in my old room. So if you want to see how to get this fierce and fabulous look, keep watching. Okay, so to get started, so first off, I did one eye first for this look because I just needed to make sure I knew how to do this so I didn't fuck it up, because I was sold it. So now that I know what I did, we're gonna show you how to do this. All right, so first we're taking, you guys already know, the Holy Grail. And we're gonna be taking the tan, and we're just gonna put it all on top of the lid of the eye. I was really shocked that I didn't mess this up, because black is really not makeup friendly, like at all. So I really did not know how this was about to go. Yeah, but if I can do it, it was easier than I thought it was. Probably also thanks to Crayon case. You'll understand why. Okay, so blend and blend. Like, when I started recording this and I turned the camera, I was like, whoa, I look crazy as hell. But that's because one eye's done and the other one's not. So, yeah, I was like, whew, this looks weird. But hey. Next we're going to be taking Morphe 35V. And we're going to be taking this purplish, reddish, pink, whatever color you would like to call this. That's what we're taking. And we're going to blend it right into the crease, as well as a little bit above the crease. And I'm starting with blending at the crease so that as I start to blend upward, I don't blend too far up and then fuck up what I was trying to do. In essence. And if you want the red to pop a little bit more outside of where the black is, like how I have it, it's kind of like light. Just keep blending as much red into it as you want, or whatever color that was. Yeah. So for the black, we're going to be mixing Crayon Case black with the Morphe black from this palette because they both are black. And the reason why I'm doing this is because Morphe's black is really hard to work with. And it's hard to work with because it's so damn pigmented. So I mean, if you want to go straight to the Morphe black, go right ahead. But as for I, and any beginners that are watching this who want to create this look, I would not suggest you do that. Because you have either put too much black and you're going to be like, oh my god, what do I do with this? And then you're just going to want to take it off and you're going to be so discouraged. So, I just say don't do it. And as I start to add in, I'll tell you exactly what I'm adding in the Morphe black, and y'all understand, because it's just like boom, right in your damn face. So I wouldn't do it. Do what you want, do how you feel, how the spirit moves you. Go right ahead, do that. As for this one over here, no ma'am. Jesus ain't tell me to do that. He said work your way, so I'm working my way. So now we'll start with good old crayon case in the, sorry, I'm trying to clean the brush. Okay. And the way to start to add the black in is go right into the crease. Just start there. It's a great place to start. Okay. So, pay very close attention here. Okay. And the big key to blending with this black, well, blending in general actually, but you have to have a light hand. And that's crazy coming from a really heavy-handed person, but you really want to have a light hand and blend like as light as possible, because that's how you get those transitions that you see. Because when you just, I'm not gonna do it because I will fuck it up my makeup and I'll be really pissed off. But doing it really hard, you gonna look like you let your 2-year-old just color on your face, because it's not no, just on your light hand. And then we're gonna slowly start to go up higher, blending in the black. Clearly somebody's trying to get my attention. I don't know who. As you see, crayon case, their black is very, it's not as pigmented as Morphe, so you do have to go over a lot with the black to get the shade that you want. Now if you wanted a lighter black, stop right there. But if you want it like super black, so you can be like yeah, you're gonna have to go over it a lot. That's why I'm mixing the two, because I'm going for a certain look. But then again, crayon cases, because I can make it as black as I want. Just as perfect. Now we're gonna look to see, are they close? They're probably not. I'm not even gonna try and get them symmetrical because it's not gonna work. They're gonna be sisters, not twins, just like your eyebrows should be sisters, not twins, because everybody's eyebrows, one eyebrow be doing one thing, the other eyebrow be doing the other thing. One eyebrow like to arch, the other one don't. One got one more hair, and it, see, just one sister. That's what we going for. Okay. So now, from the 35V palette, the exact same one that we took that little pinky purple, whatever color, we're gonna be using the black. Now, you'll see the moment I touch it down why we don't start with this one. And boom. You already see it. There's no need to work anything in, which is why I don't start here, because I really do like doing that in Tucson. But I'm having some good Mexican food because you know in Atlanta the Mexican food is like the same. I need some EGs too. If you have not been to Tucson, you can come to Tucson and you need to get EGs because EGs is life. And I'm not gonna say what I was about to say because never mind. Get back to the eyes. Okay, so now we're gonna start to blend the blacks a little bit. What I did is I took this side of the brush, two sides of them, and I did use some of the more. Now, black to blend into the crease. However, this is a lot, so knock a lot of the excess off or else you will be highly upset. Okay. And I also say sisters, your eyes are sisters, not twins, because this eye, at least on me, don't know about y'all, but on this eye, this whole eye socket thing over here is shaped differently than this one. So when I do cut creases, it's a struggle because this eye does something different than this eye. Like okay, I'm pretty sure it's not called fat, but whatever this thingy is, it does something different this eye. So it's always different. So you have to also pay attention to the way your anatomy, your body stuff. Don't know the right word. Pay attention to your structure, your face, so that you know the best way to shape things for you. Because you may see like pictures, be like, oh my god, it didn't come out like that. Oh, the video, why didn't mine shape the way like theirs? Because everybody's eyes are different. So don't be discouraged. You still gonna look fierce. And then we are taking some of the Morphe and we're going to take this side of brush. And we're going to blend with this. That's where Ipsy be coming through because I've never bought brushes except for when I did the makeup certification. I bought those brushes because they were cool. But like majority of my brushes, Ipsy's like, get so many free things from Ipsy. It's just great. Well, not free because I paid $10 a month. But you know what I mean? Like, this was in my Ipsy bag. And now we're going to take some eyeliner. We're gonna just put on the bottom, which I need to put on the top because your whole lid is black. But I mean, if you want to put some more black on top of black, do you, boo? Okay, this is about to be it. Okay. All right. How am I about to do this? Okay, put that there. Oh, okay. Try again. There we go. Okay. Now, you know what time it is. Alright, and yes, you may wonder, do you reuse eyelashes? You damn skippy. I surely do reuse eyelashes. That's my favorite thing to do is reuse eyelashes. These are my absolute favorite eyelashes in the world. In the world. They're my favorite. I got them. I don't know if on the West Coast they got them. When I go to the hair supply store with my mom, I'll see if they have them. But in the South, go to your hair beauty supply. These bad boys. Volume Lash M302A. These bad boys, don't make you look fierce with anything. You could do like just put these on by themselves. And I'm pretty sure you could be looking like a little hot spice among them. So yeah, okay, so let's put these on. Alright. Should we do our prayer today, guys? So, let's turn to our prayer. Dear Heavenly Father, you know what it is. You know I'm coming because you already knew before I even told them that I was going to pray about it. You already knew. So, let us, and anybody who's watching this and about to try and do this look, let us all succeed as we put on our eyelashes, because you know how difficult it is. So you put them on for us so that we can just be out here looking like some fiery, spicy folk and look cute and be ready to find our husbands, our wife, whatever it is. Just help us. Yeah, Jesus, no. Just help us so we can get snatched. All right, let's get it cracking. I think this is a sign that God's going to save my husband. He said, you going to put on these eyelashes fierce and you going to find your husband. Now, I really don't want to find my husband in Arizona because I know the guy in the back in Arizona. So, maybe should have thought about that. You know? Hey. Alright. So, now, go step off camera. The rest of my face. When I come back, we are going to be looking fierce as this whole look is together. So I should probably do my hair too. So and I'm going to do my hair. So I'll be back soon. Okay guys, this is today's look. I know, super fierce. I feel like I'm going out to the club, but I'm not. I'm about to just be walking around too, so. But this look is really easy. I only used 3 colors to achieve this look. It's super fun. I say every look is fun because I think everything is fun. But there's that. I really like it. You look really fierce. This is perfect for if you're trying to go out and trying to look like, yeah, like that. So, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with your friends so that we can get all of us looking fierce. So, I'll see you next time.